Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed showing decimals with models. In this video we will learn measuring things. Today our topic is measuring things. We can do measurement by length or height, weight, or by capacity. Measure the height of the desk. Height is measured in meters and centimeters. Height is measured in meters and centimeters. Repeat it. Height is measured in meters and centimeters. Measure the weight of the books. The weight is measured in kilograms and grams. Weight is measured in kilograms and grams. Repeat it. Weight is measured in kilograms and grams. Measure the capacity of medicine bottle. How we will measure it? Capacity of liquids is measured in liters and milliliters. Capacity of liquid is measured in liters and milliliters. Repeat it. Capacity of liquid is measured in liters and milliliters. What will be the unit for measuring the weight of biscuits? The appropriate unit is grams. Appropriate unit is gram. What is the appropriate unit for measuring the weight of biscuit? The appropriate unit for measuring the weight of biscuits is grams. Repeat it. Grams. Yes students, this is vegetable oil. This is cooking oil bottle. How we will measure the capacity of cooking oil bottle? Think about it. Which one is the appropriate unit? As the capacity of liquid is measured in liters and milliliters, so we will measure the capacity of oil bottle in liters. What is the appropriate unit? Its appropriate unit is liters. Repeat it. Its appropriate unit is liters. This is a toothbrush. What will be the appropriate unit to measure the weight of this toothbrush? Think about it, students. What is the appropriate unit for measuring the weight of this toothbrush? Its appropriate unit is grams. Its appropriate unit is grams. The length of key is measured in millimeters. The length of key is measured in millimeters. The height or width of a bookshelf is measured in centimeters. The height or width of a bookshelf is measured in centimeters. And we measure the weight of pack of rice in kilograms. The weight of pack of rice is measured in kilograms. In this video we have discussed the appropriate units for measuring things. In the next video we will learn shapes name. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.